Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change account location in Roblox. To start, open the Roblox website and log in to your account. Here, click on the gear icon and reach the settings. Then, you can see your account location in the account info. Now, you will see the help option in the bottom line. Click on Roblox account help and use the search bar to search for account location. After that, click on support form and enter your contact information. Next, enter your first name, email address, and issue details. Lastly, enter the description of issue to change account location in Roblox. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.